Hello and welcome to Copic Coloring Techniques for Card Makers. I'm Cheryl and I am teaching this class. Copic markers are one of my favorite ways of coloring in images when I'm making cards. Now, I'm using Copics in this class. You could use other alcohol markers as well. I know there's others on the market. Copics are the ones that I've always used, and they were out before some of the other ones, so they're just what I stick with. But you could absolutely use other markers. Let's go take a look at what we're going to cover in this class. So these are the three cards that we're going to be creating in this class. We'll start with the first one. It's fairly flat. We're just using two different shades of each color in order to blend, and I'll show you how to do that with that one. And I'll also show you how to get a little bit of shine and dimension with an added product. For the second one, we're going to level it up. We're going to use three different colors for our shading and just get a bit of a deeper shading with your coloring. And then I'll show you how to add some glitter to your fairies to make them sparkle. In the third card, we're going to combine all the techniques that we've learned in the first two cards. We're also going to add some extra dimensions. So we're going to color some extra images, pop them out a little bit, and get a lot of dimension in our card. We're also going to color some embellishments to coordinate with the card as well. Now, like I said, I'm using Copic markers for this class. Every color that I'm using will be listed on the supply list that is with this class, and those supplies are linked to where you can purchase them. And like I've said, I'm using Copics. Other alcohol markers will work as well. And then if you chose not to do fairies, you could use other lined image stamps as well. You just want to pick an image that has got some good area to color in. Now let's go start coloring.